My name is Liz Shannon. I run the Ready Set Demo website, if you didn't know. And the point of that website is to make things easier for all my Stampin' Up! Demo friends. Also to share some inspiration, whether you're a demonstrator or not. But today, this is really aimed at my demo friends. We're going to talk about the new Stampin' Up! Catalogue that is going to be going live for our lovely customers in May. You're going to have to just wait, but there's lots of fun things to come. But for demonstrators, you can already see this beautiful catalogue. I'm not allowed to show you the inside. This beautiful catalogue on the website, on the Stampin' Up! Website. So go to the demo area and you will be able to download that and have a little look. But coming back from on stage in Strasbourg, I thought I would put a couple of videos together for you. So this is one of 3 that's going up today. I'm showing you all the goodies that we got for going to on stage and talking about whether on stage is worth it. I am doing this video, which is all about the catalogue, and I'm also doing an unboxing of my product purchase premiere, which is kind of like a pre-order, and showing you what I ordered on there. And not all of it that you're going to see is in the catalogue. So a little tip. So do go and have a look at those. If you're watching on YouTube, have a little look in the comments below, in the details below, and I will link the other videos. But for today, let's talk catalogue. This was last year's, and I'm not going to lie to you, we had some issues with the Stampin' Up! Catalogue last year. There were things that were missing. There were things that as demonstrators and as customers, we didn't like. So coming back from on stage, and if you haven't already looked at it, I have great news for you. Stampin' Up! Have totally listened. Firstly, this lovely new catalogue has less fluff at the beginning. If we go straight, it goes straight into products pages from page 13 instead of page 28 last year. So we're getting into it. Yes, there is some other information in there, but it's much, much better. The catalogue does include 25 pages, which feature scrapbooking goodies. Now, some of those scrapbooking goodies are kind of exclusively for scrapbookers, maybe, but a lot of them can also be used for card making. So whether you're a scrapbooker or a card maker, you should find goodies within those 25 pages. So don't flick past them if you're thinking this isn't for me, for whatever reason. Now, the majority of the catalogue is going to be very much the sort of layout that we have been used to and have loved for many years. So let's go through quickly what has improved. Firstly, we have 2 pages that are featuring tools. They're not together because there's reasons why they are actually grouped, but they feature the tools and they show you what they're for. Much, much better. All the punches are together on one page. So all the punches that you'll find in the catalogue are together on one page. Yay, we like that. All the designer series paper is together. And best of all, it also shows all of the Stampin' Up! Colours that are in each pack. And we know that as demonstrators and as customers, we like to know if we're buying some paper, we want to know what colour cardstock we need to get to go with that. The adhesives, the bling and the ribbon continue to have their own page. If they feature in the catalogue, they've got their own page in there. And we have a much, much more usable index. I can speak from experience this morning that I've been going through that looking for things and finding them a lot better with the index, that it's the back, it's broken down better and more clearly than before. But it does not end there. More things to be aware of. and to explain really how much, as I say, Stampin' Up have listened. The fonts are bigger. We've got no white on yellow or other coloured text, which those of us of a certain age are squinting at and not being able to see. Everything's easier to read. Importantly, every product that's shown in the catalogue also has its order code, its price, and where necessary, the number of sheets or length or whatever it is that we need to know about it in order to place an order. At a live event, you do not have to be on your phone trying to find out that information. It's all there in the catalogue. So to sum up, Stampin' Up listened to us as demonstrators and as customers, and I couldn't be happier. Would I ideally, personally, like every single product in the catalogue that Stampin' Up do? Yes, I would. I'm getting over it. It's not going to happen. There are a lot of wonderful things that you can also find online. And if you, as a demo, want to know better ways to be able to share those in an in-person class, stick with me. I'm going to be doing more about that on our Ready Set Demo site. Make sure you're signed up for our newsletter list so that every time I put something out, especially for demonstrators, I will let you know. You will find the link again down below if you're not watching from within the Stampin' Up, the Ready Set Demo website. So as I say, if you're a demo, the online catalogue is available right now. If you are a customer, reach out to your demonstrator and make sure you go on the list, because you are going to want to get this in your hands. You're not going to want to miss this one. Thanks for popping by to watch this short video, and I'll see you soon. Bye.